What's going on, API Explorers? Welcome back to the channel. Sorry we haven't posted much here, but we're back at it again today with another update talking a little bit about BTPro and how you can natively trigger a webhook that runs a postcard automation at the snap of your fingers. Let's get started. So here we are in our BTPro campaign builder. What we're going to start off by doing is clicking on add action. And if you're not on this screen yet, you'll want to go ahead and create the campaign. To do that in your all campaigns library, if you just click on add campaign, you'll basically go through these steps to go ahead and add the campaign that you're trying to design. For this example, we're going to talk about triggering a birthday postcard. Now, this does still require a little bit of a manual process, but you'll be able to easily go ahead and trigger a birthday postcard to be sent to your contact. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, let me go ahead and remove this action here. And we're going to click on add actions and then use Zapier. Now, what they're going to do is provide you with what they call is an action ID. This action ID, you will take it into your Zapier account. And once you've made your connections to KV Core, you will then go ahead and use the Zap action versus the new lead action. So there's a campaign action option that you can go ahead and choose. We'll go ahead and click on continue. We'll select our account here. And then once we've done that, it's going to ask for that campaign ID that I've gone ahead and copied. Once we do that, we go ahead and click continue. And then the next step is to go into your thanks.io account. And if you haven't subscribed to thanks.io, what are you waiting for? Click the link down below in the description and give us some accolades as well. It is a referral link, so be sure to give us some accolades if you're watching this video and it is helpful to you. Also, be sure to click the like, subscribe button, and turn on bell notifications whenever we drop new content like this. So the next action will be thanks.io. And we're going to go ahead and trigger a send note card or even send postcard. Now, they've made this all too easy because we're just going to go ahead and select our account here. And we'll go ahead and click on continue. We'll fill out the recipient's name. Now, this is important to notate because what's going to happen here is we're going to label this birthday postcard. Send birthday postcard. And we're going to run immediately and go ahead and click save. Now, the reason why I'm going to do this is because I'm actually going to trigger it with one of my test leads that we have in here. So I'm going to go into my campaigns and we're going to go ahead and add that birthday postcard campaign and trigger it because I actually want to pull in some information here. So we're going to test this trigger. Now what we've done is we've gone ahead and tested the trigger and you can see that it pulls in some of the details, and we'll go ahead and click on continue, and we're going to go ahead and click continue, and now I can do my field matching, right? So first name, last name, and so forth. The other thing that you can do with this is you could actually just add them to a mailing list, and that mailing list could have their birthdays as well within thanks.io. So if you already are a thanks.io subscriber, congrats, you're one step ahead. If you're not, again, go ahead and click the link down below. What are you waiting for? API Explorers, we're throwing it all at you with postcard mailing, automation, and showing you how to do these super in-depth strategies that even myself as a local real estate agent here in San Antonio are doing, and we're dominating the market, absolutely dominating. You can see all these just listed postcards, but you can create mailing lists inside of thanks.io, and it could contain their birth dates. And the really cool thing is here you have their birth date. You can actually set up some pretty cool campaigns, and the campaign could be a birthday campaign. So it could be completely automated. So you don't even actually have to do this, but I'm just using the birth date as a reference. But you can do this to send, like, anytime a new seller lead registers on your website, send this postcard. You could see how simple it is for you to go ahead and trigger that automation. But you basically go through all the field mapping here. You'll type in their full address, which you can see we have here. And then we'll go ahead and down below, we will select or type in our messaging or select our message template if we wanted to here. So we can go ahead and select our message template. We'll use upsizing for this example, even though this is a birth date. You could have a birth date template in your thanks.io account already ready to roll. And then we're going to go ahead and select our image template. So you can have images already pre-built in there for you, ready to go. Here's our birth date one. We can go ahead and click continue. And then what I want to do is in thanks, I'm just going to go ahead and turn on testing. So let's go ahead and turn that on. Here we go. So they have this really cool setting in their dashboard that will just automatically cancel. And let me go back because I forgot to save that. But it automatically cancels any new orders if you're just testing, so that you can have this set up and you can go ahead and test it. So let's test that. And you can actually see what it looks like. We should get a success here since that was successfully set up. Recipient address invalid. So let's just double check and see what we got going there. But basically, here we go. We have the full email address, and I'm assuming it's just because that is an actual invalid record. So I'm going to publish this, turn it on, and then show you what we got. So once this is active, so we're going to go ahead and turn that on. Let me restart it on this lead here. So we'll go ahead and restart. Boom, boom, boom. And then here in a matter of a couple seconds, we should have a postcard added to our dashboard that says happy birthday, right? So we can see there it is. So we could see that it has all of our messaging, and that was all triggered from a KV Core BTPro campaign ID built into the campaign logic, so that now anytime I go into my dashboard, I can go and find those leads or contacts that have upcoming birthdays, and I can trigger that. So we can go ahead and cancel this one. So hopefully you found this useful. Like always, API Explorer is doing it again, showing you how to do these advanced integrations, leveraging Zapier and all other useful tools. If you found this useful and you're ready to sign up for thanks.io, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and get your 10 free postcard sends by clicking the link down below. Yes, it is a referral link. Do give me accolades, and be sure to follow us at API Explorers by hitting the like, subscribe, and turn on bell notifications so you're notified anytime we drop cool video content like the one that you're watching right now.